Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to mine Tapswap on Telegram application. For that, the process is very simple. So right now, as you guys can see that I have 1 million Tapswap coins, and on the right side, you can see that I am earning only 100 per hour. So I will show you how to increase this, and for that, all you have to do is to go to the down. Once you go to the down, you will see plenty of things right over here. For example, you can go to this Ferris wheel, and all you have to do is like it says that it requires 4,400 just to. So first thing, it requires a trampoline to be level 2. So let's go and buy other stuff first. For example, right over here it says requirement rate needing for example karaoke. So let's go and see the other buildings as well. So there's a lot of buildings right here which you guys can buy. For example, this is Tapfex and it will increase 100 coins per hour. So I'm gonna go and buy this one. So once you go and buy this one, all you have to do is to wait like 7 seconds. Once you do it, the item will be bought. And so here the item has now been bought. Here you can see that the number of the coins per hour has been increased to 200. So this is how you can do it. And if you buy as many buildings as you can and upgrade them to to their maximum level, you will get the maximum or hourly mining rate. So this is how it goes. So in order to get more coins, you can do these steps. So for example, there are a lot of tasks in the Tapswap application. For example, secret crypto projects, Uniswap and PancakeSwap explain. So by completing these missions, these quests, you will get a lot of points, which will get a lot of like you can buy a lot of stuff with those coins in order to invest into your per hourly rate. So that's how it goes. I hope you found this video helpful.